Gender roles play a big part in the area of car maintenance and repairs. For one, mechanics are known to have gender bias toward females because of their lack of car knowledge. And two, when car problems show up, females are known to turn to males to take care of the problem. They think that men know better. Both of these gender role assumptions are wrong. First, mechanics have a bias against anyone, not just women, who lack car knowledge. Second, women turn to men to handle car problems, thinking men know more. But most men are at the same level of car knowledge as women, which is minimal at best. If you don't believe me, click on the link in the description below and I'll send you a basic 15-question car knowledge quiz you can ask anyone to answer. I know this because I'm a man, and have had to deal with mechanics who try to upsell me or do unnecessary repairs, because they know my car knowledge is limited, just like 99% of us. I know some basic things about cars, such as doing an oil change, charging or changing a battery, fixing a flat tire, and basic knowledge about tires, brakes, radiators, tune-ups, etc. Yet, my level of knowledge is limited compared to what a mechanic knows. If they tell me the motor mounts, calipers and rotors, spark plugs, or a sensor needs replacement, etc., I don't have enough car knowledge to verify or dispute their findings. The solution, experts say, is to get a second opinion, but who has the time and the money for that? The original mechanic is going to charge me for their diagnostic work, and on top of that, I'll need to spend more days without my car taking it from one place to another. That is not a good choice for most people. My only choice is either to take the mechanic's advice to ensure the safety of my loved ones and me, or roll the dice and hope that nothing bad happens. Mechanics know all this, and they know that the majority of times I'm going to have that unnecessary work done because of fear about the consequences. This made me realize that the real problem is my lack of car knowledge, so I thought to myself, wouldn't it be great to have a knowledgeable car mechanic by my side to help me verify what my local mechanic says is needed? Great idea, but this solution is too expensive. So I turned to technology to come up with an inexpensive solution that I believe is a game changer for all car owners. My name is Marco Casillas, and I'm the founder of how2know.com, an innovative online platform that helps you drive with complete confidence and peace of mind by giving you the knowledge, confidence, and power you need to not only proactively maintain your car, but also be able to deal with your local mechanic about any unforeseen auto repairs. How2know.com concentrates on two essential parts of car ownership. One is to provide you with the expert knowledge to deal with any unforeseen car problems. How2know.com does this by providing you with expert online auto mechanic consultants to assist you with the knowledge and expertise you need to deal confidently with your local auto shop to solve your car problems easily, saving you time, money, and headaches. Two is preventive maintenance know-how to ensure your safety and your car's reliability, providing you with the knowledge and online tools to do it correctly and on time, saving you money while reducing repair problems and car breakdowns. With how2know.com by your side, your local mechanic will know that you're on an even playing field with him in regards to car knowledge and expertise, and he needs to treat you professionally and with respect. If this resonates with you, we encourage you to sign up for our email waiting list. The link is in the description below, and we'll let you know when you may sign up for our services. We also ask that you please share this video with your family and friends who may need our services so that they too can drive with complete confidence and peace of mind.